Did you know Morocco is one of the most unique countries in the world, where African, Arab, and European cultures all meet? Today, we're counting down 10 incredible facts about Morocco that will surprise you. Let's dive right in. Fact number 1. Morocco is home to the world's oldest continuously operating university. Al-Qarawiyyin, founded in the city of Fez in the year 859, is recognized by UNESCO and the Guinness World Records as the oldest existing university. Fact number 2. Morocco has a city painted entirely in blue. The town of Chefchaouen, located in the Rif Mountains, is famous for its blue-washed streets and buildings, making it one of the most photogenic places on Earth. Fact number 3. The Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world, stretches deep into Morocco. Camel rides, sand dunes, and starlit nights make it one of the country's most iconic experiences. Fact number 4. Morocco's cuisine is world-famous, especially the dish couscous, which originated here. Moroccan food is known for its rich spices, tagines, and sweet mint tea, a daily tradition across the country. Fact number 5. Morocco's city of Marrakech is called the Red City because of its red sandstone buildings and walls. Its markets, or souks, are among the busiest and most colorful in the world. Fact number 6. Morocco has coastlines on both the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. This makes it one of the few countries with access to two major bodies of water, perfect for trade and travel. Fact number 7. The Atlas Mountains, which run across Morocco, are home to incredible landscapes and the famous Mount Toubkal, the highest peak in North Africa. Fact number 8. Morocco has been featured in countless Hollywood movies. The city of Ouarzazate, known as the Hollywood of Africa, has hosted films like Gladiator, The Mummy, and even TV shows like Game of Thrones. Fact number 9. Morocco is a land of languages. Arabic and Amazigh are official, but French, Spanish, and English are widely spoken, making Morocco one of the most multilingual countries in the world. And finally, fact number 10. Morocco is home to the Hassan II Mosque in Casablanca, one of the largest mosques in the world. Its minaret rises 210 meters into the sky, making it the tallest religious structure on Earth. And there you have it, 10 incredible facts about Morocco. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more amazing facts, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.